Hey, welcome. In this section, we are going to be talking about state management with provider. Now, in order to use provider, we are going to be using a package. So what you have to do is to head up to pub.dev, and over here, we are going to search for provider, and click on enter, and scroll down, and we have it over here. Click on this link over here, and this is basically what it does. It says to wrap around inherited widget to make them easier to use and more reusable. Do not worry, in the future, when we fully start using the provider, you would see how it works. So for now, what we'll have to do is to copy this code, copy it over here, copy this code over here, and back to VS Code. Then scroll down to your postback.yml file, and over here we have to paste this. And now use Ctrl and S to save. This will save this file and automatically start getting this recently added package called provider. And it's going to take some time, and then after we should be good to go, or most of the time we just have to stop our app from running and restart, or most of the time we also don't need to close the VS Code, and sorry, or your editor, whatsoever editor you're using, and restart. Okay, let's see, it's going to take some time, and currently Flutter pub get